In the Philadelphia area, insuring a family of 4 drivers for a year can cost as much as new cars these days. Since we started our weekly series on auto insurance, we've received many questions. Today, Cure's Eric Poe is here to answer the question you've asked about auto insurance. Okay, Eric, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, the first question is, if I'm an fender bender, should I still file a claim?
Well, it depends on how big that fender bender is. What I would do is look to see how much it's going to cost to fix your car. And if it's going to be over, let's say, $1,500, it's something you might want to actually consider not filing that claim and paying out of your own pocket. Because in each state, in order for an insurance company to raise your rates because of the accident, they have to pay out a certain amount. And in Pennsylvania, it's $1,000. In New Jersey, it's over $1,000. So basically, it depends on how big the claim is. But if it's actually small, you might actually want to file that claim because your insurance company can't raise your rates.
Good information. All right, another question. This one I thought was very interesting. If my car is insured for use during work, like pizza delivery or a newspaper route, and they're involved in an accident, then what happens?
Well, unbelievably, most policies from a lot of these national insurance companies specifically exclude liability if you're getting into an accident while you're delivering a pizza. So pizza delivery, if you're actually taking a second job because of this economy and you decide, well, I'll work at night and deliver pizzas, believe it or not, if you rear-end somebody and they're injured, your auto insurance carrier may not even cover that claim because they've excluded it from their policy. So you're actually out there without any insurance whatsoever.
So then would it be good to go ahead and call the insurance company before you take that pizza delivery or newspaper route?
You know what's scary is that in that policy itself, it excludes it. So it doesn't matter, even if you call the company, they'll tell you, we're not covering it. So if you get into that accident, you might actually have to sue the pizza company in order to be covered.
So be careful if you're a pizza delivery guy. So Eric, will a speeding ticket from another state affect my insurance premium?
It will actually, as long as that state is a reciprocal state. Most states now, because of the computer generation, they actually reciprocate their information. But if you get into an out-of-state violation, sometimes it's automatically transferred into your driver's license as the lowest speeding ticket there is, no matter how fast you're going. So that's one benefit.
Okay, so be careful crossing state lines. So if I'm driving my friend's car, am I covered by my insurance or by theirs?
You are definitely insured. The scary part is that you're actually driving your friend's car and that friend's insurance is actually liable for whatever you do in that car. So that's what's scary.
So we always want to be careful no matter what. Eric, thanks so much for these great tips. For more information on how to save money on auto insurance and make sure you are fully covered for your circumstances, go to cure.com. You can send us other questions for Eric to answer on air at betterphilly.com. We'll be right back.